This is a continuation or part 2 of my on the bench video regarding this Marantz CD-63 Isiwata edition. This unit was suffering from pops whenever track was changed or a pause or any other button was pressed in. Now, as you see, it's really quiet, and you can pause it and then restart it, and it works just fine. As expected, the fault was with muting circuit and 2 transistors. I don't know if you can see them. One was number RN17 and RN16 in the other channels. They went faulty. They had a low gain. I tried to replace them with something else originally, and didn't know anything about 2SC2878. But then I've read this post when I looked up. Read a post in DIY Audio about a Carver preamp and Toshiba transistor, and one guy was asking there, what's so special about that transistor? And it was explained by a guy from Mirio from San Diego that the special thing about 2SC2878 is the high reverse beta. That way, when it saturates hard during muting, it doesn't cause a lot of base current to end up on the output. And indeed, this is a special muting and switching transistor. I've never heard any such thing before. And I looked at some diagrams, and indeed, this transistor and another from KTX is used for that thing. So 2SC2878 is your muting transistor that you cannot easily substitute. This is a transistor that really does its job fast. It's a high gain transistor, and it's put easily into saturation, and others would reduce the amount of sort of click or pop, but not eliminate it completely. So there it is, a very nice unit now, plays very well. I've given the top cover to my friend who is a auto restorator, and he will repaint it to perfection, so the unit will be as new. Thank you very much for watching, and till next time, a bit of Keith Jarrett from his Cure album, The Cure, and that's the title track.